Hi everybody and welcome. Today I have Sony WH-XB900N and I'm going to tell you how can you easily manage Equalizer. So at first we have to tap on Equalizer over here, and as you can see here we have Equalizer. If we tap on it we can manage our presets over here. As you can see, a lot of presets we have here, but we have to at first disable our sound quality mode. And then, as you can see, we have out of Equalizer presets. If you want to create our one, we have to scroll to the left, and here, as you can see, we have custom 1, custom 2. We have to tap on the gear icon, and now we can modify our Equalizer as you want. That's it, hope it helps you, and goodbye.